Welcome to the future, where humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. Over the last decade, artificial intelligence has taken massive leaps forward, and one of the most exciting advancements is AI-powered humanoid robots. These machines are designed to think, learn, and even express emotions like humans. But just how close are we to seeing androids that look, talk, and act just like us? In today's video, we'll explore the rise of humanoid robots, their real-world applications, and whether they could soon become part of our daily lives. One of the most famous AI robots is Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics. Sophia is designed to have lifelike facial expressions, human-like conversations, and even a sense of humor. She has spoken at global conferences, appeared in interviews, and even received citizenship in Saudi Arabia. But as impressive as she is, Sophia is still limited in her ability to think independently. She operates on pre-programmed responses and deep learning, meaning she can simulate emotions but doesn't truly feel them. However, advancements in neural networks and AI processing are making robots like Sophia more interactive and adaptable than ever before. Another exciting humanoid robot is TeslaBot, also known as Optimus. Elon Musk introduced this AI-powered android as a potential worker for factories, homes, and dangerous environments. Unlike industrial robots that perform repetitive tasks, TeslaBot is being designed to learn new skills, move fluidly, and even assist in daily human activities. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant who could cook, clean, or even run errands for you. While this might sound futuristic, Tesla is actively developing this technology, and prototypes are already in testing phases. But humanoid robots aren't just for entertainment or personal assistance. They are revolutionizing industries like healthcare, customer service, and even space exploration. In Japan, humanoid robots are being used as caregivers for the elderly, providing companionship and assistance to those in need. In retail, AI-powered humanoids greet customers, provide information, and even help with transactions. NASA is also working on robotic astronauts, like Valkyrie, designed to explore space and assist in missions to Mars. These advancements show that humanoid robots are becoming a valuable part of our future workforce. However, with this progress comes concerns and ethical questions. If robots become too human-like, how will society react? Will they replace human jobs or create new opportunities? And perhaps the biggest question: can robots ever truly think and feel like humans? While AI has made significant strides in learning and adapting, emotions, consciousness, and creativity remain uniquely human traits for now. The future of humanoid robots is both exciting and uncertain. With AI developing at an exponential rate, we could see androids working alongside us much sooner than we think. The question is, are we ready for this future? Let us know in the comments what you think. Will humanoid robots be helpful companions or a potential threat? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the future of AI and robotics.